All right, folks, the stock market has closed for the day. I got my afternoon cup of coffee, sipping it out of my XRP mug, and we're going to give you guys a quick market update. We really appreciate you supporting the show. Thank you so much for all the new people here. Make sure you have subscribed and hit that notification bell, and let's get you straight on into the update. Quick heads up, you have just a couple weeks left to fund your IRA for 2025. I wanted to make sure that everybody was aware of that. We have iTrust Capital linked up down below. They can help you with this. And you have until April 15th to fund it for 2025. Use my link down below to get a $100 funding bonus. And let's get straight on into the markets. With oil back down today, just like we've done over the past month, we start off the week with the expectations that the war is about to end, that we're about to have peace, and the market starts to move back up for the stocks, for Bitcoin and crypto, while oil comes back down. Now, what was interesting here is we had quite a discrepancy and a little bit of arbitrage here between WTI oil and Brent, both above $100 per barrel, but we're seeing that gap starting to close where WTI is at 101 and Brent's at 104, essentially, as we close off the day here. And so that gap's being closed, but oil still above $100. Finally, though, we do see gold and silver catch a bounce up to about $4,700 for gold and about $75 for silver. Taking a look at these charts kind of zoomed in. And then let's back on out here, and I'm going to show you where we're at on our stock market, which did catch a bounce after setting new lows to start off the week. We did catch a strong bounce here today. So taking a look at the Dow Jones, back up today, big green candle. Same thing for the NASDAQ 100, same thing for the S&P 500, and the Russell 2000 as well. Now, looking at US dollar versus Japanese yen, that comes back down, so that reverse carry trade threat cooling off for now. The war, we get this statement from the president of Iran today saying that they're seeking peace and everything. And so the market moves back up on this idea and expectation that maybe we're about to wrap this up here shortly. For cryptocurrency, it did get Bitcoin and the broader crypto space to bounce as well, up to 68,000 as I record this update for Bitcoin. And then for XRP, we caught a little movement back up to $1.34 after we came down to $1.30 earlier today. Now, I'm not really trusting this, and I don't think that Warren Buffett is either. Buffett says if there is a big market decline, Berkshire will deploy cash. But, quote, I am still involved in making investments at Berkshire. We have north of 300